We realized a vast shortage of skilled workers within Pennsylvania and the nation itself. So I was thinking about trying to find a process for training technicians for the natural gas industry. So with CPI and Cleveland Brothers, we got together and partnered along with Ariel to develop this program, which is one of a kind really. Only 2 schools in the nation teach this.
This program, the Natural Gas Compression Program, our students will get a CDL license through this to help them support in the gas fields and the gas operations. They work in the electrical areas, hydraulics, pneumatics, in addition to engines. So we provide a very broad background that's specific to the field that they're in.
What I enjoy most about the program is the instructors, Terry and Kevin. They're both great guys, they're very knowledgeable. And if we need help with something or we need something for in the class, they're right there helping us. We're getting what we need for us.
So we'll spend 50% of the time in the classroom covering the information, and then we'll come out into the lab and we'll get our hands on the equipment and actually perform the task.
I think I mostly enjoyed the engaging teachers and learning more things that I didn't know about, and we learned how to completely tear down compressors and build them back up for their year services, 2-year services, full life services pretty much.
The biggest benefit is coming out of the school with a degree and being able to jump right in. You're going to have that rounded knowledge of the compressor. You'll have seen 3 different size compressors, 4 different size engines, and understand how that all fits together.
So in addition to having company sponsorships, and with the sponsorship, a guaranteed job opportunity at the end of it, and externships, which are paid while you're going to school, we have a financial aid office that can help with grants and student loans and all the other areas to help you make the tuition very affordable.
I have family members that are in the gas industry, and I've seen how successful they are in it, and I knew it was a career path that I could be in for a very long time.
It's an industry that's going to be in demand for a minimum of 50 years and probably more like 100 to 150 years.
After I complete the program, they kind of set you up for an interview and everything like that. They set you up for the jobs.
After the program, I'm going to go work for a company that sponsored me and then hopefully move up their ladder in their company to maybe a manager position.
We're going to see more compression stations coming online, which is going to be more of a need for technicians out there.
It's an industry that's going to be in demand for a minimum of 50 years and probably more like 100 to 150 years. So it's not something that's going to be here today, gone tomorrow.
It's great. I wouldn't tell anybody not to do it. I've told more people to do it than I can count. There's so many jobs out there. Just go online and look at it. They're everywhere. I mean, people want us in a bad way. There's not enough of us right now.